just as sin entered the world through one man, and death through sin, and in this way death came to all men, because all sinned. For before the law was given, sin was in the world. But sin is not taken into account when there is no law. So this, I'm giving you this teaching in case you think that women are lesser than men. Now this doesn't mean that women should be above men. It doesn't mean that you should send out people who haven't been trained up in the right things. In America, most of the churches are filled with women. I think it's very much like that here also. Why wouldn't God want to use these faithful women? This is what God spoke to me. If you've been a woman and you have felt that you're not good enough, you take this message for you. He said, I love my daughters as my sons. My daughters have been more faithful to me in showing me their love. I am going to honor them, and I am going to bestow gifts on them. Satan curses women. Satan curses women, but I honor them. And then he spoke to me. He said, you will be one of my priests. I am appointing you to carry my name forth. You will carry it forth to generations. Your to younger people and younger people and younger people. And to nations. So this was God speaking to me about my difficulty with accepting my call of being